Google has just dropped Gemini 3, and this is by far the best large language model I've come across. It's not just about the raw power anymore, it's about vibe coding, where the AI anticipates your next move before you even type it. I'm gonna stop talking now and let the tool speak for itself. So let's build. Okay, we are in the Google AI Studio, and this is where the magic happens. I've selected the Gemini 3 Pro Preview model. Now let us build an app which will colorize our manga. I have a habit of reading manga and Hunter x Hunter is one of my favorites. But I really don't like the black and white feel of it and I would like to have it colored. So you can see on the screen it's a black and white PDF of around 19 pages. Now I'll go to Gemini and ask it to build an app for me. To quickly prompt, I use an app called Super Whisper. Build a Manga Colorizer app for me. I will just upload the PDF and each page will be processed and colored using the Google's new Nano Banana. After it is colored, I should be able to download the final PDF which will have the manga colored. Put this all in a standalone HTML file. And just like this, it pasted everything. Now let us click build. I resolved the errors and tweaked it a bit. And here's what we got. A basic simple app, and let's see its functionality. Upload manga, and let's upload the chapter 383, which I'm yet to read. I'll select the quality mode and click generate. So it identified that it contains 19 pages and now it is processing it. So let's see what the result turns out. It took a while, but it's finally complete. Let's see the results. I download the PDF and open it. Whoa, it colored everything perfectly, just as I expected it to. I don't see any text distortion or a decrease in quality whatsoever. Let's compare it to the original one. A big improvement. All this is so amazing considering that I built this in just under 15 minutes. Imagine what it could do to the manga industry and digitally colored comics. And this is just one of the use cases.